Hi guys, my name is Allison and today we're going to be wandering around the map of Royale. So let's just get into it. Where do we go first? I haven't done the wheel yet. Let's do the wheel. I want to see what I get. Let's do this. What do I get? What will I get? Can I land on the sword icon? Ooh! I got the unicorn icon! Oh. Well, I just got the 300 diamonds. Well, at least I have 1,000 something now. Where do we go next? Have I done the fountain yet? That's gonna take forever. Wait, I'm gonna get this diamond. I'm just gonna fly speed. Where do we go? Oh. There's diamonds right in front of me and I'm flying too fast so I can't notice them. I just wandered away from my destination. What? And now I'm stuck and I'm gonna scream. Oh, I'm actually stuck. I will now spam space. Now I shall reset. Wait, what do I do? Yeah, I just reset. That's what you do when you get stuck in the concrete. Now can I respawn? Okay, where do we go? Just go into the cafe. What do we... Yes, there's an alien frap. I'm gonna drink it. I know my lollipop doesn't match any color of my outfit, but it makes sense. The fountain's gonna take forever. Ow, I'm running into everything. Help me. Yep, I'm glitched. I'm glitched once again. Okay. I'm back and I'm drinking an alien frap. Look at this queen. This queen is dying. Do the fraps ever go away? Do they just stay here forever? In your inventory haunting you? I'm gonna wait. Okay, it actually went away. I'm just gonna do diamond hunting. That's literally everything that this is gonna be. And yes, I have the new shoes. I went in Sunset Island and I saved up like crazy. I needed 2,000 more at first. Now what do we do? Oh god, I put up my fly speed too much. That's how I died and got stuck in the concrete last time. I don't do that. I need to get more diamonds because I'm poor, because I wasted all my diamonds on it. On these boots. But look. Oh, there's too many diamonds in the street. What do I do? Apparently I just get on the beach and show you my boots. Oh, the lighting is horrible here. It's too bright. Now what do we do? Just fly and collect diamonds everywhere? They're literally stuck in the grass. Ow. I'm getting stuck and sitting on benches. Yeah, these are my shoes. Yeah, let's do crystal ball logic. Here you go. Oh. Yeah, I would like to see these with the new tutu. Oh god, I'm getting actually stuck in the concrete again. Oh god. Yeah, that's a shot of the shoe. I also put on the mix match socks with it. Okay, I gotta put on a new pose. I gotta stay normal. I don't want to pose. Now, oh. We have a bow on the back. Oh, wait. Oh. Yeah, I'm just getting stuck trying to do this. Wait, are there bows on the bottom of these? Oh my god, there are. Okay, I put that out when I was doing a roleplay with my friend. Now what do we do? I don't know, just wandering around. Can we say RIP for Autumn Town? Yes, we're putting on the Autumn Town bag. Yes. Yes, oh. I didn't mean to do that, okay. I didn't mean to not do that, okay. Okay, it's glitched up. You can barely see it, but it's adorable. I'm gonna go collect diamonds over here. There's a lot. There's two exactly next to each other. That's random. I miss the spider diamonds. I miss the noise they make. Now what do we do? Just crawl around in coffee. Is that what we do, apparently? Is that apparently what we do when there's this coffee cup hanging down from the roof, spilling coffee into another cup that's randomly placed on the floor perfectly with concrete around it. I wonder how that coffee cup is not actually tipping over and falling into the other cup and breaking the glass. Okay, that's realistic. What do we do? Do we go to Sunset Island or Royale High? I don't know. I want to go to Royale, but in private server, so I can level up and get more diamonds. Oh my god, let's just watch these billboards. Okay, now I need to put in a roleplay name. My roleplay name will be Lizzie. It's 2 spaces. That is adorable. Yes, I already had my font chosen because I had that line before. I purposely chose it again. I will go to Royale, and it's gonna take a million years. Oh wait, I didn't do the fountain. Well, who cares? I'm gonna do it after this video. Now, what do we do? Apparently, we're supposed to, oh. Okay, I thought the thing was glitched, but now, apparently, I'm just drinking some Coke, don't mind. What do we do? Apparently just wander around in the castle and get a dorm. And it's 8 p.m. right now, and I'm making a video. Great, such a late time to make a video. Great, I wonder why I barely got into the server at the right time. Maybe it's because I started the server. No, I didn't buy it. I'm in my friend's server. Do you want to know how much Robux I have? Well, I'm not telling you because I'm not gonna get out of this game. Just change the 3 into 1,000 that I have right now to a 1, and that's how much Robux I have. Yeah, you're getting all flexed on. I don't want to actually show you, but I'm gonna get. Oh, we need a locker. We need a locker. We need a locker. Claim a locker. Hack into my locker. Now you know my password. Get all the books. Get all the books. I want breakfast. I'm just an angel wandering around. Okay, do you want to see all my outfits? Yeah, I totally didn't steal all the rainbow names from my sister's outfits. Kitty DBA. Yes, queen. I don't know why I made a paragraph essay. Oh wait, that's not the name that I made a paragraph essay in. Okay. You wondering why I made this outfit? It's because in the pageants there was a transgender theme, and I named this guy Nico won the pageant because Nico actually won the pageant. That's one of the ones that I had. Did I make Rosie have a paragraph essay? Rosie has a paragraph essay. Well, it's actually Nico. But who really cares? Ooh, alien. Ooh, alien. Oh my god, I look adorable. Where did I go? I disappeared. I went to the... Is this what happens? Okay, I'll go to breakfast. Oh god, now I have green skin because I was trying to load that outfit. Okay, Ulu alien. How cute am I in this outfit? I look actually adorable in this outfit. I just need to... Wow, why is me? I'm just gonna... Oh god, Lizzie actually has green skin now. Represent team, green skin Lizzie. What do we do? I guess just raid the principal's office for the diamonds. Yeah, I'm raiding. I raided it. Now I'm gonna die. Now what do we actually do? Oh, We're supposed to get breakfast. That's the only reason we're here. Walking around the school. No reason to be alive. I want, give me pancakes. No, I eat bacon. I don't. You're all offended. Let's get a roast tea blend. 12 diamonds. Wow. So expensive. Just kidding. No, that's not expensive at all. 25. Can I talk? Can I even talk? Can I? It won't insert my card. Okay. Okay, I miss going to Royale. All I do is staters and roleplay in the tower now. Did I even show you the tower? I guess not, but who really cares? It's not that big a deal. Oh, I dropped off my breakfast over here. No, I'm not ready for swimming class. I haven't eaten my breakfast. I haven't eaten my breakfast? Eaten. Yes, I autocorrect now. I'm autocorrecting myself. Okay, we need to get into a swimsuit. That's what the thing said. Thing said. Wow, so offensive. Okay, we need a swimsuit. Quickly, oh. This is cute. This is adorable. Okay, we're going to swim class. How long is this video? Oh, it's been on. Well, after swimming class, I'm ending this, for sure. Okay, what do we do? Just wait for this. Oh god, my game is actually lacking for no reason. Even though if I fall, they always need an A+ student in this servers, in these private servers. Oh god. My boots! They're killing me! They're making me fall to my painful death. I just need to blame everything on my heels. That's the only reason I will blame. I will blame my failing me. I will blame myself. No. How do I say this? I will blame the boots for me failing swimming class. Even if I fall every single time. I see, they always need an A+ student in every single server. So whatever you do, even if you get a question wrong, they're gonna give you an A+. But if you don't go to class, they won't. Okay. I'm gonna put on my normal cute outfit, and then end this because my recording says this is too long. Now what do we do, first of all? Get back into our cute outfit and skip class? Yes, that, according to my calculations, yes. I don't even know what skirt I had on, so I'm just gonna put this on. I'm gonna put on my donut floaty. Because donut floaties always make everything better. Okay. I took off my socks. No, I didn't. Okay. Well. Bye. Please like and subscribe to this demon. Also, please. My lollipop is just my favorite flavor. Cherry or strawberry, I don't know. I'm just gonna collect this diamond and then end this. No, I'm gonna end it in the bathrooms. Should I try to break into the boys' bathroom before ending this? No, that'd be I'm gonna end this right here. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like. Oh, it even been too far. To this thing that you're looking at right now. Oh god, I got too close. Okay. The screen is apparently moving by itself. Oh god. My wings are flapping too fast. Help me. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like to this demon. Help, my wings are flapping too fast. Now, this is the last thing you will see before ending. Me spinning around my crystal ball, okay. Alright. I will stop. I will stop.